that much religiously and faith-wise tolerant the other religions as Gandhiji said, and not and what if we tolerating the religion all the religion with respectfully, they have a neutralize the ethnocentric bias between the people and this globe that takes place day by day, different religion, ethnicity, caste and many more things. When I am talking about some other points, it would be also against the caste system. Gandhiji was against the caste system and he coined the term which is Harijan, who shows the respect of the lower caste, and he want to casteless society. Whatever the caste you have, you have all, you should be the same for everyone and respectfully irrespective of the caste, and they want just casteless society. So India is also still prevalent of the caste society. And when I'm talking about some other, there are so many ideologies given by him. So there is also a socialism. Socialism doesn't mean the political. It just mean the socially benefit, the how they think of the society will become. They thought of their thoughts of a society is just the no unemployment, no hunger and no poverty, and also the health and education for all the people, which is like a great idea which is implemented in our policy making people. And when I'm talking about the poverty elevation to Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, and also the Ayushman Bharat to India skill programs, which is the core inspiration from the Gandhian's ideology, which is very impactful for in this era. And when I'm talking about decentralization, it is also this point is also the ideology of Mahatma Gandhi, in which he says that power can be implemented in democracy through the local areas like urban and rural areas, the local self-governance, like adopting by Panchayati Raj and municipality systems. These all are been implemented. And I must say there are so many points, but we all know the major point is cleanliness, Swachhta Hi Seva. The recent Swachhta Bharat Abhiyan is fulfilling the dream of Bapu, who making India clean. And cleanness doesn't mean that physical cleaning. It just mean your internal cleaning. That we don't want any corruption society or corruption government. You have to be highly transparenceable and accountability too towards the people who have faith on you. And my favorite and the major and the very common thing in our society is that ethical importance, which is a very major issue nowadays, because people have we can see that much level of behavior is changing towards other. They were never hesitate to kill someone for their personal needs, for their personal greed. You have to be that much of ethical importance, you have to be that much of value. And the major ideology is that women respect. There should be, we had seen many of cases and increasingly day by day to accuse women and disrespect women and violence against women. There are so many cases there. We should be applying the Gandhian ideology that we have to implement on this. So if these are all the ideology of Gandhiji which we should have to implement in our day-to-day life. And yeah, Gandhiji's contribute the political contribution for independence, but their ideology is enlightened for India as well, and as well as for the whole world, and you should follow them. And if I'm talking about far than this, there is also a sustainable environment about giving by him, that people have he held that line that earth is enough for the human needs but not the human greeds. That is the line given by him, that because our human being are destroy our nature day by day, and this will lead we are burdened under the global warming, climatic changes and a lot of things. But we have to implement these all ideas for our country and for as well as for the world benefits. So lastly, I only say that you should follow the key ideologies of Gandhiji, which is for your prosperous and happy for and sustainable future. So lastly, I want to say only the single quote of Gandhiji that humanity doesn't lose your humanity or faith, because humanity is just like an ocean. If some drop of ocean are dirty, then doesn't mean that all oceans are dirty. Thank you.